This video makes me giggle from the get-go. What do women love to talk about with men? Stay tuned. Well, hello and welcome. My name is Arica Angelo and I am your dating and relationship expert. So if you've never been here, welcome, babe. If you don't know who I am, babe, I've been at this for 12 years. I've been here for 12 years. Where have you been, my love? Where have you been? I'm really giggly over this subject of what I'm going to share of what women love to talk about with men. Chances are it's a little bit different than what you are accustomed to talking about. Now listen, before I go on, if you have not checked out my Discovering Your Glory program, listen, you have got to get your hands on this 8-week e-course. This is life transformational. If you are in the pursuit of becoming the better man, the man that becomes attractive, who gets the woman of his dreams, like that's where you're trying to be, that's who you're trying to position yourself to be, then you gotta get your hands on this 8-week e-course coaching program. So listen, you might already know this answer, but if you don't, let me enlighten you as I pop my collar. We like to talk about our emotions. We really do. We love to talk about our emotions. And now some guys who are a bit more in their feminine like to talk about their emotions as well. But the reason why, you first need to know why. Why is it? Okay, Arica, yes, women love to talk about their emotions, but why? Why? It's what every man wants to know. Why? Why do I have to hear about her emotions? The reason why is women are taught from a very early age that it's okay for them to feel. Well, most women are. I can't say that all. But with that, when she is sharing how she feels with you, she's communicating her emotions. Essentially, what she is doing is, I'm going to help you with this. This is going to make you feel really good about this. Essentially, she's taking her clothes off. What? Yes. She is taking her clothes off. What do I mean? The clothes of her heart, her corazon. She is taking off anything that is hiding or protecting or covering her heart, just like we do with clothes. That's what she is doing when she is communicating her emotions. That's right, our emotions is that gateway. It's what opens up what's actually going on inside. So a lot of times men who are really good hearing a woman's emotions, really good at validating a woman's emotions, that's why women tend to fall in love with these guys. Why? Because they know how to hold safe space for them. They know how to facilitate a conversation that makes their woman feel seen. Now listen, if you're completely clueless on how to do this, chances are you don't know how to do it for yourself. And what I always encourage my clients is start with you. Before you try to go and give something to a woman, make sure that you're able to cultivate this for yourself. And so I really encourage you, if you've not done the Discovering Your Glory e-course coaching program, you should get on that right away, because that's going to equip you with how to communicate and where you may have lost your voice. A lot of times when I'm working with men and they just do not know how to hold space for women, they don't know how to be that strong emotional warrior that can support his woman, is because they're tools that they have never given themselves. They're not equipped for themselves. And that is exactly what this course is going to do. So make sure that you check it out. I'll include the links in the comments and here in the video somewhere, wherever that little eye comes up. So make sure that you check it out. But yes, a woman, that is how she loves to communicate with men, is communicating through her emotions. So guys, your job is to, one, start learning how to do this for yourself, because you'll actually find every time I work with a client and they start doing this for themselves, they're like, oh my God, for the first time, I feel liberated. For the first time, I actually feel free. And so if you want that freedom for yourself, then you've got to start for yourself. But listen, most of the time men want to give gifts to women, like holding space and being a safe place for her to communicate her emotions with. But when they don't have an understanding as to why or what that even looks like to hold space, chances are they're just fumbling around. And when they do it, they screw up badly. So if you don't want to screw up badly, then learn how to do it, get this course, start doing it yourself. Because I've seen men who, when women start communicating their emotions, they don't know how to hold space. And what they end up doing is making more of a disaster out of the situation, because instead of the woman feeling seen and heard and validated for her emotions, she actually feels invalidated when a guy doesn't know how to do this, and he completely screws it up and he makes a mess. And listen, I have seen relationships destroyed over this. So listen, be ahead of the curve and learn how to do this for yourself, or get that program and start putting it into practice. But yes, this is what us women love to do. We love to talk about our emotions. Feelings. I want to share with you my feelings. Now, you might be freaking out, but listen, you have what it takes. These are new tools, my man, that you are gonna have to cultivate. You got it, so go after it. You haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the button right now, turn on the notification bell, and listen, baby doll, you're loved. Right where you are, you're loved. But you do need some new tools, I'm just saying. I'll see you next time. You take care.